Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Cheryl and I have a brand new title. We are now America's newest full-time RVers. As of yesterday at, I think it was 1:45, we became nomads. Now, we started this video a few hours ago, so I'm not even sure if it's going to get up tonight now, because we were partway through and a really nasty storm blew through.
And we lost power.
We lost power. So we just got it back. We decided we would just start the video over again because, well, it just was too long. For those of you that don't know, there was a tragic motorcycle accident here. They killed 7 motorcyclists when a pickup truck drove into them. Today, there was a memorial ride for them. It was expected over 5,000 bikers were going to show up. They drove right past the campground. It was incredible.
It was a really nice tribute.
Yeah, it was very, very nice. As far as Cheryl and I go, you already know, we are full-timers now. What a crazy week we had though, huh?
Super busy.
Tuesday, we got the truck. We got the largest truck that they had. Why? Because they said whatever size you want is free. So we went with the largest. We didn't think that we would fill it. We were wrong. So, now mind you, Derek helped us bring everything into the garage. Cheryl and I moved it all from the garage to the truck. Then we drove all the way down to the storage unit and we unloaded it into the storage unit.
We say all the way because it's only 2 miles away.
Yeah. We had to pay for mileage on the truck. I think we paid $4. So that's not bad for renting a U-Haul. So that was Tuesday. Now Wednesday, we were going to move into Maggie. So Tuesday night, we still needed a place to sleep. We had our king-size mattress and our box springs still in our bedroom on the floor. We had our small LED TV that would fit into the Jeep so we could get it to storage. And we needed someplace to sit. So, seeing how we weren't using the back seat of the Jeep anyway, that became our cozy little love seat for Wednesday night.
Yes, it was.
I'm sorry, for Tuesday night. Wednesday we got up, we took all that stuff and we moved it to the storage unit.
And we took the mattresses to the dump.
Yep.
Thank you to our neighbors Ken and Donna for letting us use their truck.
Very, very much appreciated. So the plan was that we would get up Thursday and come up here to the campground and then shoot back down there yesterday morning, but it just wasn't working out. We had to get the whole house clean. Okay, we had to get it ready for their final walkthrough on Friday. And
we
then
had to get Maggie organized and packed.
Yeah, because we spent so much time emptying the house that we kind of just piled a whole bunch of stuff in here. So we still got work to do in here.
Yeah.
But we also wanted, very importantly, to stop by and get Maggie weighed. New Hampshire leaves the scales on. So as long as they're not open with trucks going in, you can pull in and weigh yourself. So we pulled in, we weighed Maggie, then we backed up. We've got halfway on the scale so we could figure out what our weight is side to side, front to back, and what the total weight is. Maggie's a big girl. We're going to have to tone down a little bit.
But we're not overweight either.
No, we're not overweight. We have 8,000 pounds on the front axle and 15,000 pounds on the rear. We're close on the rear, but the front we still have room. So we're just going to move some of the heavy stuff from in the back, put it up front. We're just going to divvy it up a little bit. In case you're wondering what we did with Brandy. Brandy was a problem. We didn't know what to do with it during the closing. Says she's been so stressed, and then with fireworks on the 4th of July, we feel bad for her. I mean, she's calming down a little bit, but she still just does not know what's going on.
She's got a little anxiety going on.
She will not let us leave her sight. So what I came up with, because I don't usually get the good ideas, but I had the good one. We didn't know what to do with her. We had actually asked our real estate agent if she could get a separate room so that we could have Brandy in the room with us. But then it's like, well, you wanted to have her groomed anyway. Why don't you just call the groomer?
Yes.
Okay, so she had to be there by 9 and we had to pick her up by 4. So she smells great, she looks great, and we had a babysitter.
Yes, we did.
So, all for $41.
And it saved me a little time from grooming her.
Yep. So Friday was also the day of the closing. And we got there.
On time.
Yeah, bro. This close. And
2 minutes to spare.
Our real estate agent had just pulled in before we did, so it worked out really good because they really don't want to be late for the closing. But we sat there, we signed all our papers, we got writer's cramp and all that, and the house is no longer ours. It belongs to the new couple, and we wish them nothing but the best. That house gave us 20 great years, and we hope it gives them at least that, if not more.
That's right.
So, what's going on now? Well, Brandy's not a happy camper.
No, she isn't.
She's adapting she's coping, but she's not happy.
She's clingy.
Yep. The only thing is saving grace is when we're up here, she has to be on leash all the time, so we just can't let her out to go to the bathroom like we would in our house. So we have to walk her. That is the saving grace because she loves being walked. We used to walk her all the time, and well, things were so crazy with the house, but you know what? That's all behind us, so who really cares about that? So this morning, she woke up, and mind you, Cheryl and I slept till 9 o'clock. I can never sleep till 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it's like between 8:30 and 9 o'clock.
It was just, I'm looking at the clock going, oh my God, the stress and everything must be just gone. So then Brandy jumped up on the bed and she's laying down, we're petting her. She got up and stood up and threw up all over the bed.
Actually, it was down the foot of the bed, but
so,
nonetheless, we have to wash a blanket.
Yeah. Now, we have the washer dryer in here, but of course it was the heavy quilt because I like having weight on me when I'm sleeping. So that won't fit in the Splendid. So we went to the campground laundromat. It won't fit in there. So we've got to go to a laundromat that has the big, huge washing machines. Thank you, Brandy. What else is going on? This campground is busy this week. I mean, you know, they just fit us in. There are so many people here. We are having an awful lot of trouble getting on the internet. We're not even sure if we're going to be able to upload this here in the campground. We may have to go drive around someplace because AT&T we have, and we have no coverage here in this park. It's Verizon, so we're going to be looking into getting AT&T and Verizon, having both of them, because these are things that we're learning as we go along.
Even if it's just a phone with a hotspot, we'll see which is the cheaper option.
Yeah, so if you comment on any videos, or if you comment on our Facebook page, or anywhere try to get a hold of us, and we don't get back within 24 hours, just understand that we can't.
We're having trouble.
We are having problems here.
But we will work on a solution.
And
maybe once the weekend is over,
yeah,
it may calm down and we may get more bandwidth on the internet.
That's what we're hoping, because we've never, ever had a problem with internet here. All right, now other than that, you're all caught up to date. But what we want to let you know is how our real estate experience went. Our agent was named Pam Frazier. She works for Coldwell Banker. She is licensed throughout New Hampshire. So if you live in New Hampshire, you want to come to New Hampshire, you're not sure who to look for a real estate agent, Pam Frazier.
Give her a try.
Yeah, we'll put her link right down here right now. She's great. She took good care of us. Everything went as well as could be expected. Now,
She got us through the good, the bad, the ugly, and the fantastic.
Yes, there you go. Now let's just talk about how small a world this is. When we first met Pam, we told her what we were going to do. We want to sell the house, we want to move in the Mag, and we want to tour the United States. And she was like, wow, she says, I have friends that are doing that. And I says, oh, cool. So they've been doing it for a while? She says, yeah, a little bit. And, you know,
that was the end of it.
Yeah. So we're at the closing, and she leans over to Cheryl and she says, hey, by the way, remember my friends that I told you are out in their RV, full-time? And Cheryl's like, yeah. She says, I told them about you guys. They follow your channel. So, hey, Claire and Justin, how you doing? So, hopefully we'll meet up sometime on the road.
Thanks for following us.
Yes, that just shows you just how small the world is. Our real estate agent knows people who follow us. So, and the buyer's real estate agent is our newest subscriber also.
Hi, Justin.
What's up, Justin?
2 Justins.
Yes. All right, we don't want to keep you because we don't know how long this video is going to take to upload. We're hoping to have it up tonight. This is July 6th. May not be till tomorrow, July 7th. So, I'm sorry. But if you like what you saw, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. If you want to become part of the growing Get Going With Us gang, right down there in the corner. You know what to do. Just click it. You're in. Feel free to share and comment on this video.
Right down below. Don't forget, you can say hi.
Yep, just say hi. Because until we do another video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
We're America's newest full-time RVs. Well, maybe we were. All right, bye.
Bye.